Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your footage and audio, and you keep originals safe. Make a dedicated audio lane for background sound right away. Once done, solo the background track so you only hear what you'll edit, then run a quick noise reduction pass and set a high pass around 80 Hz to remove rumble. You'll trim unwanted segments and mark problem areas with markers. This initial cleanup speeds everything else and prevents edits from masking dialogue or key sound effects. Now you refine tonal balance and dynamics so the background supports, not fights, the main audio. First, use EQ to remove muddiness around 200-500 Hz and gently boost 3.6K Hz for presence. Make subtle moves and a /B often. Next, apply light compression with a 2:1:4:1 ratio to smooth level jumps and automate gain or use volume envelopes to correct inconsistent sections. Finally, check perceived loudness against dialogue. Adjust background down until clarity and focus are restored. You finish by blending and verifying. Add a touch of reverb or room modeling at low wet settings so background sits naturally in the space, and then export a short test clip in the final format. Make sure to listen on headphones, laptop speakers, and phone so you catch issues. If you hear pumping, distortion, or spectral artifacts, back off noise reduction, lower compression, or run spectral repair on specific frequencies. One key tip: always compare before/after to confirm you improved clarity without harming intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.